Now let's move on to the grammar portion of this exercise, where the first exercise is related to verbs. Write down the correct form of the verb in each sentence. The architects of our republic write the magnificent words. So the correct form of verb is wrote. The second statement is all men guarantee the unalienable rights of life. So the correct verb is guaranteed. The third statement is we come to this hollow spot. So the correct form of verb is we have come. The fourth statement is continue work with the faith, and the correct form of verb is continue working. The fifth statement is former slave owners sit down together. So the correct form of verb is former slave owners will sit. Sixth statement is every valley exalt to see my dream realize, and the correct form of verb is every valley will be exalted to see my dream realized. Seventh statement is we be free one day, and the correct form of verb is we will be free. Eighth statement is let freedom ring from the mighty mountains, और यहाँ पे यही correct form of verb है. Ninth statement is the black men and white men join hands, and the correct form of verb is will join hands. The last statement is this selection designed as an oration, and the correct form of verb is this selection was designed. So dear students, we are done with the exercise related to verbs. Now let's move on to the next exercise related with punctuation. Punctuate the following lines. I have a dream that one day this nation will rise up and live out the true meaning of its creed. We hold these truths to be self-evident that all men are created equal. So this is the first word, तो इसलिए हम इस alphabet को capitalize करेंगे. I have a dream that one day this nation will rise up and live out the true meaning of its creed. Colon, अब यहाँ पे हमने W को capitalize करना है. We hold these truths to be self-evident that all men are created equal. अब ये दो बिल्कुल different ही clauses हैं, तो इसलिए हमने यहाँ पे semicolon ऐड कर देने, full stop, और इसको हमने quotation marks में रखना है. Now let's move on to the third exercise related to grammar portion, where we are going to use some phrasal verbs to make some sentences. The first phrasal verb is come out, which means शाया करना. इसका sentence है a new edition of our English textbook is expected to come out next month. The second phrasal verb is come off, which means टूटना. I picked up my nephew's toy parrot and its beak came off. The third phrasal verb is come in, which means अंदर आना. Reports of an assassination attempt on the governor came in last night. The next one is come down, जिसका उर्दू में मतलब है बीमार पड़ जाना. I think she might be coming down with a cold. So we are done with the exercise related with phrasal verb as well. I hope you have understood this explanation. Thank you.